LeeBoy is proud to offer the 5300, one of the industry's quietest and most versatile compact pavers. This unit handles the asphalt load of a standard paver while allowing the ability to fit into the tightest of spaces. This unique design is ideal for the most narrow paving jobs, ranging from cart paths, sidewalks, trenches, or even driveways. The 5300 is powered by a 64 horsepower Tier 4 final engine. A versatile sliding control station allows operation from the left or right side and features an easy-to-read display screen. The bogie-style undercarriage features a polypad track and can fit into a 48-inch milled cut. The propane or electrically heated HD Mini Legend screed allows infinitely variable paving widths up to 9 feet. The under-auger material cutoffs significantly reduce handwork and are a feature of all LeeBoy pavers. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about the LeeBoy 5300 compact paver. This paver is a small part of the value that LeeBoy can bring to your operation. If you'd like to learn more about our company and products, or to find your authorized dealer, visit our website. Again, thanks for your interest in LeeBoy, the name behind the world's most dependable commercial asphalt paving equipment.